So hello guys, in this lecture we will solve some question based on continuous time LTI system. So let us see this question. This question says consider the cascading of two LTI system as shown below. First LTI system has impulse response h1t, second LTI system has impulse response h2t, where this wt is given as dxt by dt and h2t is given t ut minus ut minus 5. Find overall impulse response. So we know impulse response is the response when the input is impulse. So let us say xt is del t. Then whatever will be by t, that will be impulse response of system. So if xt is del t, then we can see that wt will be, which is dxt by dt, that will be del t by dt. And we know that yt will be wt convolved with h2t, because this is also one combination of input output of LTI system whose impulse response is known. So wt is derivative of del t convolved with h2t is given as t ut minus ut minus 5 t ut minus ut minus 5. So as we can see, this derivative and convolution both are linear operation, so we can interchange these both. So we can write as by t as del t convolved with, we can multiply with this t inside and then we can find derivative. So this will be dy dt of t ut minus ut minus 5, and this derivative will be, this is convolution, first function differential second plus second function differential of first, which became t del t minus 5 plus ut minus 5. This will be del t convolved with, as we know t multiplied with del t will be 0 minus t multiplied with del t minus 5 will be minus 5. This will be t multiplied with del t is 0, because we know properties, from the properties of del t, that xt multiplied with del t is, means xt minus t naught multiplied with del t is xt naught del t minus t naught. So this t multiplied with del t is, here t naught is 0, so xt naught will be 0, and here t naught is 5, so xt naught will be 5. And this will be multiplied with del t minus 5 also. Xt del t minus t naught plus ut minus 5. Now when this del t will be multiplied, del t will convolve with ut, it became ut. When this del t will convolve with ut minus 5, it became ut minus 5. and when this del t will convolve with del t minus 5, it became del t minus 5. So this will be our overall impulse response yt, means this is overall impulse response h of t, because here input is given as del t, and then we are getting this yt, means when input is impulse, then whatever is output, that is called impulse response. So this is our impulse response, overall impulse response. So let us move on another question. This question says, consider the cascading of two systems as shown below. System 1 is this and system 2 is this. Impulse response of system 1 h1t is given as e to the power minus t ut, and we have to calculate two things. First one is overall impulse response and second one is overall output in terms of overall input. So we can move here in this way. We can see as, let us say here output is wt. So this yt in terms of wt is dwt by dt plus w of t, and we have to find overall impulse response. So give xt as del t, give input as impulse, and whatever will be response, that will call impulse response. So as xt is del t and we know impulse response of first system h1t, then this wt will be xt convolved with h1t. Xt is del t convolved with h1t, means w of t became del t convolved with h1t. We know what is h1t, e to the power minus t ut, and we know by the properties of convolution integral that anything convolved with del t is anything, means xt convolved with del t is xt. So this will be e to the power minus t u of t. This is wt. Now we can find this yt. Yt is differentiation of wt, that is d by dt of e to the power minus t ut plus wt, which is e to the power minus t u of t. So this derivative, let us say this is first function and this is second function. So first differential second, e to the power minus t del t plus second differential first plus e to the power minus t ut. So we know xt multiplied with del t, this became x of t naught into del t. Here t naught is 0. We know the properties of del t, that xt multiplied with del t minus t naught is xt naught multiplied with del t minus t naught. Here t naught is 0, so xt naught became 1. So this overall output became del t. As we know, this output is coming when we are giving input as del t, impulse. So this response is impulse response. Overall impulse response xt is del t. This is overall impulse response. Now in second part he is asking overall output in terms of input. So as this combination of both the system is LTI system, so output became convolution of input with impulse response, xt convolved with ht. We know ht, the overall impulse response of system is del t, so yt became xt convolved with del t, and we know by the property that any xt convolved with del t is xt. So overall output is the same as overall input. So let us stop this module here. In subsequent module, we will go through discrete time LTI system.